Hello students, good morning to everyone. Today we are here to continue the chapter 8 of GSC. We have written give reasons, question number 1 and 2, and today we will start with the question number 3 of give reasons. So all of you get ready with your notebook and pen in order to start the work. Question number 3 we have to do. All of you take the notebook and start doing the work. Lastly we have done the 2 questions. Question number 1 was molecules in a solid cannot move freely, and we have written the answer for this question. Question number 2, a liquid takes the shape of its container, and the answer for that also we have written. And today we will start with the question number 3. I hope all of you are ready with the notebook for writing. So let's start. Question number 3. A solid changes into 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 a liquid as the temperature increases into a liquid as the temperature increases we have to write the reason for this. Why does this happen? Why the solid change into liquid as we are increasing the temperature? We have to write the reason for this. Question once again I will read. A solid changes into a liquid as the temperature increases. A solid changes into a liquid as the temperature increases. I hope all of you have written this. My dear students, you need to understand the things and then only write. Answer for this is because on heating molecules in solid start moving fast. And finally break away from the rigid patterns. And change into liquid. And change into a 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 liquid. This is the answer for this question. Once again I will read the answer, and by the time what you have to do? By the time you have to write the answer. Because on heating, molecules in a solid start moving fast and finally break away from the rigid pattern and change into a liquid. And change into a liquid. I hope all of you are writing it. If you have not written till now, what can you do? You can pause the video and write. The answer is clear to everyone. Just my dear students, you need to understand the things and write. Never write anything without understanding. First of all, you understand the things and then write the answers. This exercise we have finished. We have finished this exercise. Now we need to start the next exercise. Answer the following questions. I hope all of you have written. If not written, pause the video and write. Now let's start the next exercise. Next exercise is answer the following questions. We have to answer the questions. Question number E. This exercise is you have to write the heading also. Answer the following. Answer the following. Answer the following questions. Answer the following questions. The first question is what is matter made up of? What is matter made up of? Let's start with the first question. I hope all of you are writing along with me. First question is what is matter? What is matter made up of? What is matter made up of? We have to write the answer for this question. Matter is made up of molecules and atoms. Matter is made up of. This question is very easy. We have studied in the very first line of this chapter. Matter is made up of. Matter is made up of molecules and atoms. Matter is made up of molecules and atoms. Now question number 2. Question number 2 is what are the three forms of matter? 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 We have discussed about them in detail when we were studying this chapter. So what are these three forms? Do you remember, my dear students? I hope all of you are remembering it. Solid, liquid and gas. Solid, liquid and gas. Solid, liquid and gas are the three forms of matter. Solid, liquid and gas are the three forms of matter. I will read the question and answer one more time. By the time you need to complete it. First question is what is matter made up of? And the answer is matter is made up of molecules and atoms. Now question number 2. What are the three forms of matter? And the answer is solid, liquid and gas are the three forms of matter. These both questions are very easy. I hope all of you have written it. Now I am going to write it. Then after this we will write question number 3. Question number 3 is also easy but it's little bit lengthy. So you have to take the pencil in this question and answer. You need to draw the figure also. between explain the difference between the arrangement of molecules in different matters between the arrangement of molecules in different matter with the help of a diagram. With the help of a diagram. How we have to explain the difference? With the help of the diagram. With the help of diagram. Let's see the answer for this. Let's see the answer for this. First of all, we will write 1 or 2 lines about that, then we will draw the figure. Solids have definite mass. Solids have definite mass. Not only definite mass, but shape and volume also. Definite mass, shape. First of all, we can write shape only. Definite shape, mass, and volume. Definite shape, mass, and volume. This is about the solid. Now about the liquid. A liquid does not have a fixed shape or size, but has a fixed volume. A liquid does not have a fixed shape. Because we know that if we pour in any container, it will take the shape of that. Does not have a fixed shape or size. But has a fixed volume. Further, gas particles can move freely in all directions. Why the gas particles can move freely in all directions? Because gas do not have anything fixed. So, this is about the solid and liquid. And in case of gases have neither a fixed shape or size. Gases have neither fixed shape, nor shape or size, nor a fixed volume or size, nor a fixed volume. This is case of the gases. These are the basic difference between the solid, liquid and gas. But here it's told we have to make the figure also. So let's make the figure for that. We will make the figure for that. This is case of the solid. See how tightly they are packed without any space. This is case of the solid. In solid, particles are fixed like this. Draw it in your notebook. Please all of you draw it in your notebook. This is case of solid. Now let's see. make it properly. In case of liquid, how the particles are arranged. Let's see. Particles are arranged like this in case of liquids. This is liquid. This is case of liquid. Liquid. This is case of liquid. Liquid particles. These are the liquid particles. That was solid. This is liquid. And now in case of gases, let's see. In case of gases, let's see how the particles are arranged. In case of liquid, in case of gases, how the particles are arranged. These are the gaseous particles. These are the gaseous particles. Here we will fill the gaseous particles. See how they are arranged. They can move up to here. This is the piston. So up to here they can come very easily. They collide with the walls of the container. They are far apart from each other. They are freely moving. And this is case of the gas. Solid, liquid and gas. Arrangement of molecules in solid, liquid and gas. This is the figure. I hope all of you are joining along with me. Solid, liquid and gas. Once again I will make it properly this figure of gas. Let's see. This is conical flask we are making here. They are moving here and there and colliding with the walls of the container. Gas. Particles of gas. Please rub it like this. We will write arrangement of. You are writing with the pencil only, no? So you can write arrangement of molecules. Arrangement of molecules in solid. Arrangement of molecules in solid. Similarly here also, arrangement of molecules in liquid. Arrangement of molecules in liquid. Please rub it and write it properly because we have to explain the difference between the arrangement itself. So, arrangement of molecules in gas. 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 These are the three figures. You have to label it properly and draw properly. This is the answer for the third question. I will read it once and by the time you have to finish writing. Solids have a definite shape, mass and volume. A liquid does not have a fixed shape or size but has a fixed volume. Gases have neither fixed shape nor size nor a fixed volume. And the figure is written. My dear student, if you have not finished writing, pause the video and write it. Okay? I am going to rub it. You can pause the video and write it. Now, I hope all of you will write it by pausing the video. That's why I am going to clean the book. Okay? Pause the video. Question number 4 of this chapter we will do. Let's see question number 4. Question number 4 is how can you say that the states of how can you say that states of matter are interchangeable. Matter are interchangeable. Give suitable examples. Give suitable examples. Give suitable examples. Let's see the answer for this question. How can you say that states of matter are interchangeable? Give suitable examples. Let's see the answer for this question. All matters can be changed from all matters can be changed from one state to another by heating or cooling. Thus we can say that the states of matter are, thus we can say that states of matter are interchangeable. First part of the question we have answered. Now second part is remaining. Example: snow melts into water. Snow melts into water. Snow melts into water. Further, what happens? And water evaporates into gas. Further, water evaporates. How does the water evaporate? Water will evaporate into form of steam. Water evaporates into gaseous state in form of water vapor. In form of water vapor. Further, what happens? And reverse of this. Fourth question. Snow melts into water and water evaporates into gaseous state in form of water vapor, and reverse of this also happens. This is the example for question number 4. I hope all of you have written this. If not written, what can you do? You can pause the video and write it. Next day when we come, we will do the remaining 2 questions. You can pause the video and write it. Complete after question number 4. 2 more questions are remaining that we will do in the next class. Thank you, class.